Mark, you nailed on something that's been happening. I want to go over this and then I'll go over what ours are. Suspended accounts. We've seen more suspended accounts this quarter than we've ever seen ever. Ridiculous. We have probably 10 to 20 sales that are sitting on the sideline that we've refunded payments on that are suspended, that we're waiting for them to go through the process. And it's been like 30, 45 days. It's been a nightmare. Mark,
they haven't gone through that process several times already.
No, they have. We're waiting. Open appeals is what I should say.
Okay.
We're waiting on feedback from Google as to what the issue is. Some of them are silly, where it's a suspicious payment. Those are usually pretty easy to solve. But we're seeing like circumventing system policy, which it's like we literally just open up the account, they put their website in, and it's popping off, and it's like they didn't circumvent anything. There's nothing they could have done to trigger this. And I'm like, all right, well, maybe they ran Google Ads in the past. And like, I just started this business, 6 months ago, never ran Google Ads, didn't know what it was until we saw your video or whatever. And it's been a battle, and their support hasn't been too helpful on getting things through fast. Yeah.
Well, that's interesting because they've been the same way. I've never seen so many. It's been the last 3 months probably.
Yeah.
I remember literally having this problem one time, and it was where someone did a redirect on their website or something. And so it was legit. And they went in and they got it resolved. They fixed the problem, got it resolved. Now people are like, they're telling me the same thing. I've never worked with Google. I don't know if that's always true. That's the problem. You don't know.
But like some of these people, I genuinely believe that they never did. And I don't know what the issue is. So I'm glad I'm not the only one. I know there are a couple other agencies suffering from it as well. Dustin, are you running into that much?
No, I mean, we've had like new accounts get suspended temporarily a couple of times, but I gotta be honest, it's usually in the medical space when we run ads in that space. And it's like new accounts, we'll get them through, get them approved, and we're good. I mean, very few people have run into that, but we don't, I think we're not dealing with as many like brand new advertisers that have never run ads before. They've already got an account a lot of times. So that's like if we're talking to them, that could be why, because they're already running.
That is true. It's a lot of new accounts.
It's always brand new accounts. And
it's mostly been service-based, normal businesses for us. It hasn't been weird things because we don't work in too many weird spaces anymore.
Yep, same.